Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Cooking with Sebbi. Today we are going to make some pancakes. For pancakes you need an egg, you need some flour, you need some milk. Here I'm going to use some oat milk. It is the very first time that I'm using oat milk for cooking pancakes, and this is a first time experience for me. I am super excited about this. I hope this will work out well. And finally, you need sugar as well as some salt. So we are ready. We do have all the ingredients. Let's start to measure them. For pancakes, I usually start with about 75 grams of flour. So that's about here. Let's just get some flour into the measuring device. Okay, this is a bit much, but that's fine. I think we can somehow fix this. Just get it into a bowl. Then for the milk, I need another measurement device. Here I go for about 150 milliliters of milk, or oat milk in this case. Just pour it in. We need some salt. Here I take half of a teaspoon of salt. For sugar I need a tablespoon, and I got 1 tablespoon of sugar. Just put it in. Alright, finally the egg. Let's crack it open and get the egg into the bowl. Very nice. Alright, we do have now all the ingredients ready. Now we just need to mix things up. Of course, you can whisk it yourself. You can use a small little whisk device to whisk it with this large whisker. But well, I am lazy. I am very lazy, so I am going to use the machine. I am using the machine, and let's do this real quick. All right, and I'm almost pleased. I'm very pleased with the consistency of this. I'm very pleased with the way how this how the dough feels, because it's not too liquidy, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So this time I got it perfect the first time. This is good. This is very good. So let's move the machine to the side. Clear a little bit the excess flour from the stove, because I don't want to get it burnt. Let's dry it real quick and move the pan into position. Let's ignite the stove once again. Full power. Okay, the pan is nice and hot, so it is time for the first pancake. Let's use this grown-up spoon and get a decent amount of dough into the pan. Very nice, sizzling nice. Let's just make sure that the dough is distributed nice and evenly in the pan. And now we just wait. Now we just let nature do its thing until you start to see that it is no longer liquid on the one side, so on the side facing towards you. On this side is no longer liquid when it looks solid. Then it's about time to turn the pancake so that you can also fry it from the other side. Very, very simple procedure. Alright, very nice. It does no longer look liquid on this side, so let's just flip it around. And that's That's already looking good. That was looking pretty amazing. While the other side is cooking, I already start to add the filling of the pancakes to it. And you can go for everything. You can go really for everything here to fill a pancake. You can go for cheese, you can go for some minced meat, you can use, as I said, anything. And this is really the great thing. But this time I am going for the sweet approach, so I am using some apricot jam. And yeah, this is what I will now add to the pancake right away. So this saves up some time, because then the apricot jam is already getting heated up a little bit while it's in the pan, and I am not required to fill the pancake afterwards, after it's done cooking. So let's just add a generous amount of jam to the pancake. This looks good, this looks very nice. And yeah, just let it fry for a little bit longer. Next time there will be more pancake experiments. There will be more pancake recipes on this channel coming up in the near future, and there we will also do a less sweet approach. So there we will use some cheese and some other kinds of filling. And yeah, let's have a look here. Okay, it starts to look good on the other side, so let's just do a little trick. Let's flip it on the one side, move it a little bit more into the middle, flip it, whoppa, whoppa, flip it on the other side. Okay, this one is very good. This one is more fried than I wanted, and let's put it to the side. Okay, so let's reduce a little bit the heat. I think we need a little bit more oil, so let's just add some oil here. I use sunflower oil because oh yes, it's this time the stove has done a great job. It's really hot. So let's add the next pancake. Very nice. I'm working on the last pancake. We are nearly ready. Let's just flip it around. Oh yes, the pan is super nice. The pan does it even a little bit too much. This is a well cooked pancake. Let's add once again the jam to it, and yeah, we are done. We are done with the pancake cooking procedure. Let's have a quick look. Here it starts to look good. Let's just fold it together again. Fold the other side over. I said fold the other side and get it out of the pan. Move the pan away from the heat, like so. And yeah, that's how you make pancakes. This is looking amazing. This is looking really amazing. They are delicious. I am now looking forward to enjoy those pancakes. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope I see you in the next cooking video. Bon appétit!